Aircraft spring bigger than a truck tire. Guess what part it's for? Line painting robot straight as a laser. What's the max error in inches? Snow cleared smooth like a floor robot. Covers 10,000 feet d2 per hour. Misting truck throws rainbows. Cool like a sci-fi scene. Prints on water without smudging, magic or machine? Pomelo's washed spotless, no skin damage, and cleanest line in the biz. Planting and watering in one pass. Saves 60% farm labor. Mini tea plucker picks leaf by leaf like a ninja in a kung fu movie. Grass rolled up like giant sushi. Each roll weighs 660 grams. Red-hot steel anchor bolts forged cold. Money. How many US tons can they handle? Ribbon spun soft as candy. Japan's been making this since 1960. CNC mills metal thin as paper, plus 0.4 inches. Nerve-wracking precision. CNC runs razor sharp, precision at plus 0.01 inches. Pants form blown by machine. Fits perfect before you even wear it. Leveling smooth as laying a base. How many US tons is this beast? Versus handwork, this auto winder wins in speed and precision. Soil churned like whipped cream. How deep is ideal for planting veggies in inches? CNC laser cuts zinc boxes like slicing sashimi, sharp and spot on. Wood sawed smooth like slicing cake. How many times faster than by hand? Concrete walls smooth like a massage? Makes you want to paint before it even dries. Cans flattened in seconds, this tool wipes out a whole recycle bag. Clay bricks pressed like rice cakes. So satisfying to watch each block take shape. Copper welding smooth as drawing. Guess the weld temp? Pills rounded like marbles. What's the diameter tolerance in inches? Electric cables rolled like rice paper. Know how heavy the copper core is in pounds? Dry cast concrete with no water. Believe it? Still hard as mountain rock. Roof tiles come out perfectly molded. Guess the firing temp to keep them crack-free? Steel cut with zero sparks. How fast do you think that blade spins? Tires molded uniform like rice cakes. How many do you think the factory makes daily?